Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Enscape, the powerful real-time rendering and visualization plugin for architects and designers. Whether you use Revit, SketchUp, Rhino, ArchiCAD, or Vectorworks, Enscape helps you create realistic renderings instantly. Let's get started. Check your system requirements. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets these minimum specs: Windows 10 1164-bit or macOS 12 Monterey and above. At least 8 GB RAM, 16 GB recommended. A strong dedicated GPU such as NVIDIA GTX 1660, RTX, or AMD equivalent, around 5 GB of free disk space. Go to the official Enscape website, open your web browser and go to enscape3d.com. At the top menu, click on Download. Choose the correct version. Enscape integrates with different design software. On the download page, choose your platform, Windows or Mac, and select the installer that matches your software: Revit, SketchUp, Rhino, ArchiCAD, or Vectorworks. Click Download to save the installer. Install Enscape, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Accept the license agreement. Choose the software you want Enscape to integrate with, for example SketchUp or Revit. Click Install and wait for the setup to finish. On Mac, simply drag the Enscape plugin into your Applications folder. Launch your design software. Open SketchUp, Revit, or whichever program you selected during installation. You should now see a new Enscape tab or toolbar inside your software. Activate Enscape. When you launch Enscape for the first time, you'll need a license. If you have a license key, enter it. If you're just starting, choose the free trial option to test Enscape. Once activated, you're ready to start rendering in real time. Tips: always keep your GPU drivers updated for smooth performance. Use Enscape's real-time walkthrough to present projects to clients. Adjust the time of day and lighting inside Enscape for stunning visuals. If your PC lags, lower the render quality settings in Enscape's preferences. Explore the asset library for ready-made furniture, people, and vegetation. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Enscape. Now you can bring your architectural designs to life with amazing real-time renders. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.